Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to manually connect to a wireless network on Windows 11. So if you want to connect to a wireless network manually on your Windows 11, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. You can also try this approach on your Windows 10. If you can navigate your way around the control panel on your Windows 10, you can manually connect to a wireless network on your Windows 10. But here, I am typically going to focus on Windows 11 users. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to manually connect to a wireless network on Windows 11, all you need to do is go ahead and click on the start button. Then here, search for control panel and open your control panel. Once you open the control panel on your Windows 11, locate and click on category, then select large icon. Once you select the large icon, come to network and sharing center and click on that. Now, once you selected network and sharing center, come to where you say set up new connection or network and click on that. Then once you selected that, you should see this pop. On the pop, click on manually connect to a wireless network. Click on next. Now, once you click on next, you need to provide the wireless network name you want to connect to. And mark you need to type in the wireless network name as it is. So if it has capital letter, make sure you go ahead and type in the capital letter as it is, as this is case sensitive. Then again, come to security type and then select WPA2 personal. Then where you see security key, this is the password of the wireless network you want to connect to. Then go ahead and type in the password. You can check hide characters to hide the password or uncheck to make the password visible. Now, it is important for you to check start this connection automatically so that the wireless connection network will start automatically on your Windows 11 computer. Then again, go ahead and check connect even if the network is not broadcasting. And then click on the next button. Once you hit the next button, you see successfully added this particular wireless network. Then go ahead and click on close. Now, if you come here under view your active network, you should see the wireless network you added manually. And then you can see the access is internet and then the connection is this. Then you should see the wireless connection connected here instantly. Or if it is not connected, you can just come here, turn on Wi-Fi. Once turn on your Wi-Fi, you should see the wireless network connection you added to your PC. Then you can now go ahead, click on it. Once you click on the connect button, then go ahead, select it, then click on the connect button. Once you hit the connect button, hang on a couple of seconds, then you should see the wireless connection connected, and at the same time you should have it here, and you can see it's a public network. So that is basically how to manually connect to a wireless network connection in Windows 11. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.